So, a little unexpected, but we're going to do a Gsxr 750 first ride. Been on 1000s. All kind of other cruisers of other sizes. Just haven't read a 750 yet, I guess. Or 750 has the 011 Two Brothers exhaust. Taking it for a spin. It's got that Brembo front caliper. He wants to get his license plate light figured out here. We're going to figure that out somewhere along the way. I have not even sat on this bike yet. The seating's pretty cool. Let me see if I get him in the chat here. Perfect. That is you, right?
Yep.
Alright. Why did they do that with old bikes?
What?
Have to clutch in
I don't know. That's
to start it. It just never made sense to me. I was going to ask you that yesterday, but I assumed you already, I just assumed you knew that this bike needed to be clutched in neutral to start, so I didn't even ask. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, it's just a Sizuki thing.
There it is. Got it on video, too. I'm like, I'd rather stall out than be. It does.
Burning it.
It just feels different. It definitely does. This feels different than Hunter's. I mean,
it does, actually.
I mean, I only took his for a quick little. This feels way different.
Going straight?
Yeah. My bad. I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, we don't want to go into traffic. Ardmore was getting terrible when I was coming back. Holy Jesus. Fucking $4 grand, that thing's screaming.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you what to do when we get like closer. Well, when the engine starts getting a little bit hot, I'm gonna tell you what to do, and you're gonna be like, "What the fuck?"
Yeah, we're pretty close in height. I can see what you mean. You have to like fucking slouch. Come on, you have to like slouch the fuck down to like look in the mirror. I wonder if they make risers, or if we could do something to rise them.
I don't know.
Might not have the caps on the top of them, but you could probably bring the mirrors up some and then keep the factory ones.
I'd have to.
Yeah, we'll have to start. I'm sure there's somebody that's done something. Yeah, because that's weird.
This thing is totally different. Like I said it before, totally different than the.
Is the shifter? The shifter's a little more manageable than I thought it was, or is it just me? Or damn, man.
This is ridiculous. This is what you don't do.
Like,
these people will be getting sued like a motherfucker.
True, I was gonna say on that bike I really should just pick.
So I mean, I know you've ridden on these too, but to me, I mean, I've ridden leader bikes, and not right now when we're in the neighborhood, when we're going cruising speed. It doesn't feel like it, but it really does feel like once you start moving on it, it does feel leader bike type way.
Oh no, it's got a great bit more pickup in the. If we did like if we were, what gear were you in yesterday?
I was in second, but I never just gave it.
I was gonna say yeah.
I never really gave my bike full throttle. Like I'll give it full throttle for a second to build it, and then I'll let it off for like maybe 8. Because it just feels like I'm killing the bike.
You see, people are. I guess everybody's different, but yeah, I feel like. I think if I ever get anything over a 6, after everything I've had, they'll all get Q4s on them. Seriously, because this thing definitely feels a little punchy. But I guess you gotta counter in having a tune and all that emission shit off there too. I'll definitely play a big. Like I'm sure if you go grab a stock 011 stock pipe and no PC in the trunk, it'll definitely sound a little different. It's definitely gonna act a little different.
Way different. I'm sure it's dead. Well, that bike, honestly, like I see what Chris is talking about. It's dead down low. It's like not.
I guess.
Not necessarily dead, but.
I was gonna say I thought second felt pretty spunky and I wasn't really doing nothing.
Oh, it does. But I see what he means. Like from, like, say, 2,500 RPM, give it some gas. Like, it's kind of dead at first. Once it builds, maybe like 500 RPM, and then it starts to pick up. And obviously, once it gets to 8 grand, it's hard to just move.
I was thinking 5 is really where a nice punch point is for real.
Yeah, you'll see once.
That's why I said he's talking about 2 and 3, motherfucker. Whose bike builds big power at 2 and 3 grand? I mean, that's why I said, what does he want? Like it's a 750, of course. I mean, like I told you, this thing will. I feel like, yeah, that's a guarantee. If it's really not restricted, yeah, putting me on this thing will do a $189 and scream the limiter equivocally enough to the H2. I mean, you notice the difference, obviously, but I bet you, yeah, this thing would still get there.
Yeah, it goes on that bike.
But I'm saying if it got the PC on it and it's de-restricted, then
yeah,
it should be able to do plus a couple miles an hour.
So technically, it's going to be like more 1.8. So speedometer. I like the percentage.
Till you're banging them for a little bit. Making this right.
Damn, I love these brakes. Shit.
And that 636 is quick, but once you went and got to 750, nah, you're flat footing, right?
Oh fuck.
Yeah, that's always a plus. I mean, that'll make any bike a little more fun. I mean, it sucks that it seems like the mirrors were made for like
short.
No, just like if I was sitting way the fuck back here, yeah, I can see everything perfectly clear. It's perfect. But obviously you're not sitting like that once you're moving. Like I can't even reach the boys back here. Fuck. But I can see everything on the road from right here. It just seems like, yeah, if they had spacers, like I said, we can put something in between there and then.
Oh, you got exposed. Got a little exposed.
You can. We can look. Oh shit. You can see the bolts, bro. We can space these out.
Really?
We can buy something colored or something to put under there and space them, put them up a little higher. Or we might be able to do it from down below. There'll just be a little gap there. Oh yeah, I'm glad I got to look. That's the move, I guess. Need like some little bolts that match these ones to put them in front of them. Oh yeah. Oh, shut up. I got most of it. No, Prism's low battery. I mean, like I said, what do you want? It's like, it definitely picks up more than your other bike. He's like, well, I don't feel it. I think if we go, yeah, I think if we go speed for speed, gear for gear, and throttle for throttle, yeah, it's going to show up real quick. Shit, it feels spunky as hell to me in 5th. Yeah, be careful on this one this year. That ain't, yeah.
See, it has, that's why I know, there's certain parts of the rev range where it just gives you more of a punch than just kind of.
It's more of that, I don't know when, I mean, I guess he rides all kind of stuff, but he usually just takes it around the block, like. And I feel like I rode Hunters far enough to be able to compare these two, and yeah.
So you think it's the 2?
I don't know what it is, truthfully. I mean, it has to be, or I mean, it could be just because I'm on it, but.
Newer year, maybe?
I mean, it could be, like I said. I mean, you figure there's definitely a difference in the 18 versus the 19 H2, but like, I definitely don't feel like Hunter's bike. Just discrediting the handling. I mean, I'm not even getting in it much, but I can feel it, yeah. I mean, it was colder when I rode this, but still. Yeah, like you said, that at 4 or 5, I feel like it has some good punch.
I wish there was more room where you could like take it up to like 7 or 8 and then let off, and you'll feel it'll start popping and shit. Like when you just roll on a little bit.
Yeah, you can hear that motherfucker all day. Popcorn!
And then like, sometimes if you don't rev match downshift, if you just like downshift from like say 5th to 3rd, just let the clutch out, it'll
Jesus! Woo! Oh yeah!
and it can lift up easily first and second gear just by like.
Yeah, I just caught you slipping yesterday. I just caught you slipping yesterday on that first run.
Yes, you did.
Woo!
50. You just go when you're ready.
He's funny, bet. You done slayed yourself. Short shifting. Come here, boy! Come here! Come here! Got him! Got him! Got him!
Okay.
Tried to tell y'all, you don't want to put me on those 6. Shit, over 11 thou? Yeah. Shit, that's when it's like...
It really wakes up.
Alright, it's already hitting you, but
yeah, it
once
really
you
wakes
get
up.
to 11, it's like, oh, were you ready?
It's a whole different bike.
Were you ready?
And it like just trumps the 600 in many ways.
I was gonna say, definitely, no, it's there. It's definitely capable. Like I said, you got the same amount of rev range. Like I said, it feels more comfortable, at least for you, I would assume. At least the seating, as far as like city traffic goes.
Like roll on, and then let go, and then roll on again. But you gotta be like.
No, you're going to finally be able to understand what I meant. See this, like, that's why I said people be like, well, you don't need that fast bike for. See, like, even the CBR6 to me, like, yes, you can cruise mildly comfortable on the highway. But if you're in 6 doing regular highway speeds, you ain't got no juice. This thing got some juice in 6.
Right, it does.
It got some juice.
That's what I was going to tell you yesterday. I did a 6-year pull in front of you.
You don't even have to go far. It got some, got a little kick.